Dear students, today we consider trigonometry of class 10 in NCERT book. So class 10 trigonometry. So maximum number of students dislike trigonometry and afraid trigonometry. Trigonometry is very dangerous, but trigonometry is very easy. Now we consider trigonometry. Before discussing trigonometry, now what is the meaning of trigonometry? Trigonometry, so this is the Greek word. Trigonometry, this is Greek word. This is trigon, trigonon, which means triangle, and this is metron means which means measurement. Metron means measurement. So we find trigonometry means triangles, measurement of three sides and angle. If three sides given, then we can easily find the angles, three angles. A triangle has three sides, so three sides measurement, and sides are given, then we can easily find angle, and angle given, we can easily find sides, length of sides. So this is our discussion. Trigonometry means three sides of a triangle, they are measurement. Sides angle, they are measurement. Now, first we consider, so before discussing trigonometry, there are 6 ratios. The ratios are sine. First ratio is sine. Next cosine. Sine, cosine. Tangent, sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, this sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. So these are the ratios: sine, cosine, cotangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. So this we write in short form sine. This is sine, this is cos, this is tan, this one cosec, and this is sec, and this is cot. These are full form. Then sine, this is only we write sine, and this cos, this is tan, this is cosec, and this is sec, and this one cot. So there are 6 ratios. This is sine, cosine, cotangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. So all of these we write in short form: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now what is this? What is sine? How we get sine, cos, tan? Now we find the sine, cos, tan. So suppose we consider this is a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle means this angle is considered theta. Suppose this is 90 degree, and if it is 90 degree, then this is hypotenuse. And if it is theta, if we consider this angle, this will be perpendicular. So we get the measurement of this. This is hypotenuse, this is this is perpendicular, this is base. So when you consider this angle, then this is perpendicular, and this is 90 means this is hypotenuse. So we consider this is hypotenuse, and this is base, and this is perpendicular. So we get this. So ABC, this is the right angle triangle. This is 90 means this is hypotenuse. If we consider this is angle, then opposite side is perpendicular and remaining is base. And if we consider this angle, then this will be perpendicular and this will be base. But hypotenuse is fixed. Just you have to remember, this is 90 degree means opposite side always hypotenuse, and this is angle. If we assume this angle, then this will be perpendicular and remaining is base. Again, if we assume this angle, then this will be perpendicular, this will be base. So base and perpendicular will be interchanged, but hypotenuse is fixed. Now we consider this. Number 1, sine theta. Sine theta, this is our sine. Sine means AB by AC. This is AB by AC. This length by this length, this represents sine theta. This angle is theta, and AB means we consider P, and AC means S. This one I get. Number 2, cos theta. Cos theta means BC by AC. BC by AC. So this is our BC, this is AC, this represents cos theta, and BC means B, AC means S. And number 3, tan theta. Tan theta means this AB by BC. So AB by BC, this is tan theta, AB means P, BC means B. This one tan theta. Number 4, cot theta. Cot theta just opposite BC by AB. BC by AB means B by P. B by P. And number 5, this is sec theta. Sec theta, this is sec theta AC by, this is BC. AC by BC, and AC means S and BC means B. This is sec theta. Number 6, cosec theta. Cosec theta equal to AC by AB. So AC by AB, this is cosec theta, AC means H, this is P. So these are the 6 ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Just you have to remember this side by this side, this from definition we get sine theta, and this by this we get cos theta, and this by this we get tan, and these are reverse. Cot means that we interchange these two. Cot means B by P, and sec means H by B, and cosec means H by P. So these are the 6 ratios, and we have to by heart these 6 ratios. When we have to start the chapter or exercise, first we have to know this. So if we by heart these 3, sine, cos, tan, just we interchange this, we get cot, sec, cosec. Cot means we interchange this, their position B by P is cot, and sec means H by B, and cosec means H by P. Suppose we forgot this rule. We don't know what is sine, cos, tan. We don't know this rule. So we have a technique. What is the technique for by heart these rules? It has a technique. The technique is that this some people have curly black hair turn permanently black. So this is the rule. Some people have curly black hair turn permanently black. So this is our rule. If we by heart this sentence, then we can easily write this. Some people have curly black hair turn permanently black. Some means S means sign. This sign. People and have P by H. So this is sin theta equal to P by H. P by H. And curly means cos theta. Black hair B by H. Turn, this is tan theta equal to permanently black P by B. This is the rule. If we by heart this rule, then we can easily by heart this. We can easily write this. Some people have sin means P by H. This is P by H. Curly black hair, cos means B by H. This is B by H means cos. Turn permanently black, T means tan, and P by B is tan. And if we write reverse, H by P is cosec, H by B is sec, and P by B is this. So cosec theta means H by P, and sec theta means H by B, and cot theta means B by P. Just if we reverse, taking reciprocal, we get this is cosec, this is sec, and this is cot. So these are the rules. We have to by heart this rule, and this is the main things to start the trigonometry. First, you have to know this, and if we forgot this, we by heart this, and we can easily write the formula. So there students, today we stop here. Next video, that means video number 2, we shall start the exercise. All the problems are very easy and all the solutions are easy, no problem. So thanks.